Hello everyone, my name is Zach from Amber, here today with another product. The product we have today is an ozone disinfector manufactured by Okayozone, which is a subsidiary company of Amber. Let's take a deeper look into this product. The product we have today is the AM501 ozone disinfector. This product kills microbes, inhibits fungus, antivirus, and removes foul smell and toxins. The product specifications: it takes 18 watts, produces 500 milligrams of ozone per hour, and it takes an operation voltage of AC 110 to 220 volts and DC 12 volts. Let's take a deeper look into this product. The product itself is portable. It can be used for hunting and disinfection. It can also be used during picnics to disinfect fruits and vegetables. The product comes with a power cable for your car and a main plug that you can connect to any home appliance adapter. It has a silicone tube and 2 air stones. And then we also have the product itself, which is the ozone sterilizer. The product has an on and off button, up, which takes you from preserve freshness, kills bacteria, sterilize, remove foul smell, and remove toxins, sterilize medical equipment. And then we also have a down button, which takes you back. On the right side of the product, we have the ozone outlet. On the left side of the product, we have the power input. The back of the product, we have mounting loops. And at the bottom of the product, we have the air inlet. Let's test this product. Connect the silicone tube tightly connected to the ozone outlet. Remember to make sure that the air stone is at the bottom of the water. When turned on, the product is at 0. When the up button is pressed, as you can see, the product is working. It starts at 5 minutes. Press it again, it sets to 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 30 minutes. Down button takes you backwards each step. For more information about this product, you can visit our website amber.com or okayozone.com, which is okayozone.com. We provide comprehensive protection, we provide systematic solutions, and always remember, you make requests, we do the rest.